Schools in the UK. At secondary school, lessons usually start at 9 o'clock. Students study lots of different subjects: science, maths, music, and PE. They also learn to cook. Students have their lunch at school. They eat in the school canteen. You can have a school meal, or you can bring your lunch from home. Lunchtime is usually 1 hour. There's always time to play games or talk with friends in the playground. Secondary schools often have a school uniform: trousers for boys and trousers or a skirt for girls. Then a shirt, a tie and a jacket or a jumper. Afternoon lessons usually finish at 3 o'clock.